Your body needs movement, your mind needs peace. Yoga is a simple way to connect your body and mind. Take 5 slow breaths before checking your phone. A few gentle stretches can wake up your body. Sit and stand tall. Your body will thank you. Yoga teaches awareness, not perfection. End your session by appreciating your body. Let every movement follow your breathing. Give your eyes and mind a few minutes of rest. Even one quiet minute can make a difference. 5 minutes daily is better than 1 hour once a month. Yoga is not about pushing harder. It's about understanding yourself. Small daily habits create lasting change. Happy Yoga Day. Take a deep breath and begin.